So, good day, sir. My name is Arnel T. Scoville, the group leader on this group. So, before we proceed to our system, sir, allow me to introduce my group member. So, the name of my group member is Kailing, Rayos, Rodriguez, and also Brigondo. So, click the NetBeans. So, this is the name of our CRM2, sir. This is the customer support management system. Us- Username, this is the username, password, and show password, login, and exit. So this is the flow of our codings. This is the flow. And the next is, this is the register complaint. So name, address, contact number, email, gender, ID, mail, age, save, and also cancel. And complaint. So these are the codes that we use. These are the flows. Next. And also this is our dashboard. Same these are the columns, age, address, contact number, email, gender, age, component feedback, and ID name. The next is this is the update feedback of complaint. Name, address, contact number, email, gender, ID, complaint feedback, mail, age, save, cancel. And this is the source. So run, please run the source. So we need to wait for a while, sir. So this is the outcome, sir. So this is the login. So we use the different username. If this allow to log in, show password, log in. So as you can see, sir, this is a credential not must. So we need to use the correct username and also the password. Admin and 1 2 3 4 5. Log in. So as you can see, sir, log in successfully. So the next is please click the new complaint. So this is the registered complaint. Name, address, contact number, email, gender, ID, complaint, mail, age, and also save and cancel. Female, male. So we need to put any names. Galwa, Misamis Oriental. Then any contact number, email, mail, age, ID, any kind of ID that we can use that. Ganun. So complaint is we are if you have a complaint about this register form, you can put that any complaint if you have. So we need to put in example of complement. Okay, save. Complement register. So as you can see, sir, look at the dashboard. We are put the Taguluan Misamis Oriental, contact number, email, and gender, age, complement, and click the example and click the update feedback. So as you can see, sir, these are the example before. So the feedback is you can you can add or any example that we have. So we need to new example. Complement any example of feedbacks. Okay, okay, save. Okay, complement updated. So as you can see, sir, this is are the feedback, update feedback. So if you want to add, so you can click new complement. So we need to put new example. Complement any complement that you have concern. And save. Okay, complement registered. So there's are the two example that we used before. This is the example. And the next is update feedback. You need to put in example of feedbacks. Okay, save. Complement updated. Okay. So as you can see, sir, these are the two feedback that we use example. Idinim so and also also sir is we have a delete complement. Are you sure you want to remove? Yes, there's a delete complement. So as you can see, we we use the example is also delete all. As you can see, the example that we use is deleted, sir. As you can see, there's a no example, sir, in our dashboard in X. So this is our the this is our the output in our CRM2, sir. The name of our CRM2 is Customer Support Management System. And I have a I have a question, sir, about sir about sir management is I have confused that we forgot or we forgot something to add or something na nakalimutan po namin, sir, na mag-add mag-add. And the second, sir, is paano po paano po paano po namin if, like for example, go to the complement register. Like for example, like this, sir, is we have the complement. If how how do how do we know that we don't have to type or something, is paano po namin malalaman kung paano automatically ma-feedback, or we don't need to type like that, sir. And the next question about this system, sir, is how to make our system useful and improvement. How to make this system that we make useful to improve, na ito ay magagamit po. And that's all the three questions, sir, that we confuse about our system. And also, sir, thank you and God bless.